the reveal. I am missing a few things, but this video is so long overdue, I wanted to give it to you. So I got the white shaker cabinets, the gold pull handles. This is a quartz, so I went with the quartz. This is the backsplash. I got this backsplash from Floors and Decor. It was so expensive. Like each one of these things was like $18. So it was really expensive. I don't really love the way the guy that did the tiles, like he did it. So I do think I'm gonna be redoing this. Like you can see there, I'm getting a whole new window. So all of this is getting removed because it's just very old. And then that's when I think I'm gonna be replacing the tiles, y'all. Every time I do anything with construction, I swear it's like it can never just be right the first time. Like the guys that put the cabinets in, I don't know, like they were rushing. Okay, here goes the other side. I got some stuff up there. Here goes the other side. I'm missing 3 chairs that's going here. Got this chandelier from Wayfair. How do you guys like it? Because before I had like a narrow island that came all the way out and it had a pedestal. But what I did with this one is the contractor told me about these things and I forgot what they're called, but they're very heavy duty. So I got 3 of those. What they did was they opened up the drywall. They actually attached these to like the framing of the house, like the studs of the house, and then they closed it back up, the drywall, and then put it back. So I do have to paint these, but I'm not gonna bother painting this because I do want to put a panel wall here. So I'm gonna put a panel wall here, and then the chairs are gonna go here, and that's what's missing. I do have to add some lights, so I'm gonna add some lights on the bottom of these. I love this oven. I actually got this oven for I think my very first Airbnb. So I love the griddle. I've been using this griddle like no tomorrow. Like I've been making turkey, bacon, egg, and cheeses on here, like how they make it in the deli. I've been making a lot of chocolate chip pancakes. The kids love this. Let me turn this light on. And then I got a new microwave, General Electric. General Electric, I need y'all to sponsor my next video, all right? Because this is like the 3rd time I'm buying this product. How do you guys like it? Honestly, I have to say, like I have to fix that little gap there. I have to say, so the dishwasher I got like maybe 3-4 months before we start the renovations. And the refrigerator is the same old refrigerator. So I'm gonna replace the refrigerator. But I have to say my very favorite thing is this farmhouse sink. I got this on Amazon. So it comes with 3 items, guys. It comes with this cutting board, and look, I can remove the cutting board, and look how big this sink is. This is like 2 times the size of the sink I had previously. This and the faucet does not come together. So I bought the faucet separately, and I was really scared because I didn't know it would match. I don't think it matches 100%, but you can't really tell. Like I feel like the faucet is slightly higher. It came with this grid. It came with this chopping board. Let me show you what else it comes with. Y'all, the sink is my favorite. Like the sink is my favorite. Got it off of Amazon. I'll put all the links down in the description bar below. So definitely tell me what you guys think about the kitchen. I still have to add like the rest of the stuff, but I just wanted to get this video out to you guys because I've been working on this kitchen for a while. I really like this chandelier. I wanted something long. My husband keeps bumping into this, but look how much space we have in the kitchen, y'all. Look how much space. Like there's so much space to just walk around that we didn't have before. Like look, now the entryway is a little narrow, but that's okay. I made sure to make the edges like this, so like for the kids' sake. Hey guys, this is a kitchen renovation, so tell me how I do. I still have to repaint some of the things because we had to keep putting the cabinets up or down, so I have to repaint that. And these are my floors. I got these floors from Home Depot when I saw it. I love the color, but I underestimated how expensive these floors was gonna be, y'all. I thought I had a small kitchen, but they put the flooring all the way up to the wall. And I'm thinking I'm gonna be saving money because they're not gonna put the flooring up to the wall, but they need to do that in order to level the shit, y'all. So expensive, but I feel like it was worth it. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys love the kitchen? Do you guys love the backsplash? The chairs I'm getting are gonna be like a cream color. And then I feel like that's gonna look good against the chocolate panels against the wall. But I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll show you what the kitchen really looks like when it's completely done. When I get the new refrigerator and when I replace the window. So I still have to like replace the blinds. I still got work to do, y'all. Like, as you know, when you live in a house, you don't do everything at the same time. Like, you literally take your time, because these finishes cost a lot of money and you want to make sure the things that you get you actually love. But so far, like the oven paired with the sink, two favorite items in this kitchen, I have to say. And the white is just chef's kiss. This griddle, game changer, especially if you have kids. All right, so this is what I wash my veggies in. Look how that just is placed right there, y'all. I love this. And let me, so these are the 3 accessories it comes with. The drying rack. This is where I rinse like my veggies, and this is where I cut my veggies. So you just put this over here and then bring the drying rack. So look, y'all, this is with the drying rack. You can have all the items. I usually have the sink empty, but on a cooking day, I'll bring the cutting board out and I'll have that here. So if anything, I use the cutting board more than I use any of the other items. So I have this stored away, this stored away. But y'all, I love this sink. So what do y'all think of the kitchen? I love this kitchen. So I got my cabinets from Tommy D's warehouse in Pennsylvania. You can do the measurements yourself. They can have someone come out and do the measurements for you. I really like my cabinets. They did get some measurements wrong, so we had to like wait because they sent like an extra long cabinet that didn't really fit the kitchen. But other than that, I was just really wanting a white kitchen. So I'm glad I was finally able to get my white kitchen, because I had like the dark brown kitchen before. So I'm glad I was able to get that. And like I said, my favorite part, gotta be the sink. It gotta be the sink. Like I said, I didn't really start decorating yet. There's like some knives and stuff like that I want to get. But what do you guys think so far? Right here, I'm gonna be adding like those panels. I'm gonna get like a almost like a caramel, like a oak color. I'm gonna be putting that there, or even like a chocolate color. Those panels, those wall panels. So I'm gonna be putting that there. Actually, I already bought it. I'm just taking, I bought black. And then I think I changed my mind on the black. I want to go with like the brown or like the oak. So I think I'm gonna order one of those. Put that here, and then I brought these beautiful chairs. I'm just mad as hell because they are on Wayfair for $300 a piece, and I found them in China for $150. Me and my mom was shopping so much. The container that's coming to the US, it's full. It's full. So he had to take it out, and I was like, I'm not gonna be waiting. Like, how many more months am I gonna wait to like sit in my kitchen? So I'm just gonna go get them off of Wayfair. But so the 3 is gonna come out to $900, where I could have got it in China for $450. I'm just mad as hell, because it's like, why the upcharge? Like, the way the upcharge is just beyond me. But anyway, this is the kitchen. So tell me what you guys think. Give me some recommendations. You know what kind of fridge? I want to go with that new fridge that's black with the gold hardware, and sometimes they have it silver with the gold hardware. Like, cause this fridge is maybe, I think, 3 years old. So we are due for a new fridge, and I'm gonna put a picture of the fridge that I like. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.